So what you can also do in Kimi is get technical support as necessary. So to do that, over here, I'm going to go around onto a Wikipedia page where I have a sample of an error. So let me just go ahead right here and then take a screenshot by using print screen. So let me take a screenshot right here and paste it up right here. So I can simply go ahead and paste a screenshot of an error right here, just like this, and then ask it to solve. So let's say, for example, I am getting this error. What can I do? You can also shoot a picture with your mobile phone of your screen and then ask for such error as well. So once you go ahead and do that, Kimi is analyzing the error, as you can see, and it says the error message says is fatal error exception 03 error, which is a type of exception that occurs when a program tries to execute an invalid operation. So it gives you ways to actually solve it, like it says restart your computer, update your system, check for software conflicts, run a virus scan, and so forth right here. And that is how you can actually get technical support in Kimi as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.